kind of curious myself.
I'm gonna take a picture of it.
Yep.
Here we go.
All right, hold on. Set this down. Get your picture. Hurry.
All right, got it.
Okay. Record and let's see
There
what
we go.
direction it spins.
Is it rotating?
Yep, it's rotating that way. I'm gonna wait till it gets to the right spot.
Yeah, Dallas bolt. Is it rotating around for a second?
Yep.
Okay.
And
Oh, so you're gonna face it away. Okay.
we'll put on off, off. Oh, that was on. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Let me just scoot back here real quick. All right, ready?
Yep. Do a little bit of attack. Are you gonna do that? Oh my god, this is awesome, dude.
Now we're winding it down. Deep.
This is fucking. I gotta wait for that deepness. Jack's hand. Oh! Water.
I'm so shaky. It's so awesome.
All right, ready? Yeah!
And that is your Dallas bolt
There we
test.
go. Nice. You did it.
Oh,
We just.
there's a dog.
Oh my word.
It's Wally.
Really?
Wally doesn't bite. I'm just gonna push the manual button for a second.
I'll push it for a second. There we go.
Ready?
Yeah, go.
It's dead.
Nothing.
They are is dead. We found the
Nothing.
RCM.
Nothing.
I put the
Fuck yeah.
okay. And it starts rotating like, yes.